Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about uh, this static storage class. The variable defined as static specifier and can hold their values between multiple functions. So before discussing this slide, I just want to explain with the help of an example. So this is a normal program. Okay, consider these variables are normal automatic variables that we discussed in the last class. Is an automatic variable, and this is a program. In this program we have a for loop, and in this for loop will call this user defined function sum 3 times. Okay, I equal to 0, 0 less than 3, so that is a condition. The first time it calls the function, and let me check the result. Okay, so 10 20, so it will print the value as it is 10 20. Okay, after that we are incrementing the value, but it is not reflecting because while calling the function again and again, it is a separate function. It's a separate calling function, separate initialization. So each and every time this declaration and initialization process is happening, so the values remains the same. After that increment will not be reflected here because we are printing the value here. Listen, in the order I equal to 0, I less than 3, sum of. So the sum of function called, and this function starts from here in a equal to 10 and b equal to 24, printing 10 and 24. After that a plus plus b plus plus, that means a equal to 11 and b equal to 25, and this function closes. Again I equal to 1, 1 less than 3, condition true, then sum of. Again the function calls. So again the function calls, in the sense the next function also it reinitialize the value as a equal to 10, that a equal to 11 and b equal to 25, that value's life ends there because it's an automatic variable, it's not static variable. So automatic variable, after each and every initialization the values may vary, that is why it is said to be variable. Okay, so we are going to discuss about, so that is why we are getting the values like 10 24 first time, 10 24 second time, 10 24 third time. Okay, clear? So instead of this I am using a keyword named as static. I am using static storage class here. So let me run this program now. Now the values are getting updated. Here the first time while calling the function, initially a equal to 10, b equal to 24, printing a equal to 10 and b equal to 24. So in the first printf statement, this printf statement prints the exact value. After that this a and b value is updated to 11 and 25. Okay, this function closes here, but I equal to 1, 1 less than 3, again this function calls, but that value a equal to 11 and b equal to 25 remains there. It is not reinitializing. That is the advantage of the static. So this is the meaning of this particular first statement. The variables defined as static specifier can hold their function between the multiple function calls. So between these function calls the values are not getting reinitializing. Once the values is updated, that value is considered for the next function call. So that is why this is getting updated. So a equal to 11 and b equal to 25. After that a plus plus, that means 12, b plus plus 26. So I equal to 2, 2 less than 3, condition true, sum of. So this initialization process is not considering into account. So it is taking the previous value, previous function call value, and based on that this program is acting. Okay, so this is the advantage of static keyword. And static local variable are visible only to the function or the block in which they are defined. Okay, that is normal case in the function. All the variables, the lifetime ends there, is visible only to that function. The same static variable can be declared many times but can be assigned at only one time. So the value assigned here is a single process. It is not repeated each and every time because it is a static. So the keyword static is mentioned before the declaration of any of the variable. Then that this statement will execute only once at the first time calling. Okay, if I equal to 0, this function is getting called. At that time these statements are executing, and after that these statements will not execute because this is static. After that, whatever values that is updated in the case of each and every function call, that will be considered for the next updation or next function call. That is why we are getting the values like this. The same static variable can be defined many times. Default initial value of a static integral variable is 0, otherwise null. Okay, it may be 0 or null. No garbage values. The visibility of the static global variable is limited to the file in which it is declared. So that variable, the static variable's life only to that particular program, because we can move on from file to file. We will discuss that file concept in the next module. So that is why I am not detailing discussing about this point. Okay. So this file concept we will discuss. Okay. The keyword used to define the static variable is static. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. Any doubt, please call me.